Hi there, today guys I'm going to be showing you how to connect your mobile phone device to your BMW car via Bluetooth for phone calls. First step will be to turn on your car. So you'll see this, we're on the stereo, just on the radio here. You would want to click on the menu button, which is on the top right. Use the scroller, the right scroller, to go to telephone. So here, and just press it in. And then you want to turn on Bluetooth, so you're going to click this button here to turn on the Bluetooth. Now Bluetooth is turned on and you would want to hit search. For some people whose devices are already Bluetooth turned on, then your menu will look like this. So you would hit search again, same thing, and then you'll see this message. When you see this message, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom. To do so, you use the right scroller and you scroll all the way down to the end. Once you're at the end of the message, you get your handset device and you go to your settings, you go to your Bluetooth and you turn on your Bluetooth. Once you've turned on your Bluetooth, you should wait a while and then you'll see BMW's Bluetooth. There you go. Now we can see BMW's Bluetooth. You click on that and then immediately on the stereo you'll see the device coming up. It will just say help project add. In this case we want to add, so you click add and we want to make a simple pass key. This is just so we can connect the both devices together. So in this case I'm just going to use 1, 2, 3 and 4 and then hit OK on the right. And then it just says pairing. Now you can see on the phone it's asking for the same pin that we've entered before. I'm just going to enter it again, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the phone device and click pair. And then if you give it a few seconds, it will successfully pair. You only need to do this once, and then after this, if you just turn on your Bluetooth whenever you get into the car, it will automatically connect to the car stereo. And there you go, successful. Okay, you can see, if you notice, that little symbol came up, is on the top right, which shows that the phone is connected. You can see the phone is always connected to the car's Bluetooth. From here you can see your recent calls and everything as well. You can see your contacts, you can see your top 10, you can see your everything. You can see you can even have the phone dialer as well if you want to dial. And if you get incoming calls as well, come straight to the stereo. If you want to make any outgoing calls, for example, just dial a random number, you can see you immediately stop the radio and it will just...
This call cannot be completed as your account balance is too low.
You can end it as well on the stereo as well. And if you get incoming calls, you can accept it on the stereo as well. Yeah, it's pretty good. And yeah, you just don't need to worry about your phone too much when you're driving. So when you do get incoming calls, the stereo will automatically stop and start ringing as well to show you that you've got an incoming call. And yeah, that's it. Like, comment and subscribe. If you've got any questions, leave it below.